Have you ever wondered how affiliate marketing will evolve in the near future? With the digital landscape changing rapidly, keeping up with effective strategies is more crucial than ever. Today, we will explore affiliate marketing as it will be in 2026, unveiling 3 offers and 1 funnel strategy that are set to thrive in this dynamic business model. To start with, let's talk about the first offer fitting the future mold: subscription-based services. As more companies transition to recurring revenue models, subscription services have become an ideal candidate for affiliate marketing. Think about popular ongoing needs in our digital lives. These subscriptions range from productivity tools and streaming services to health and wellness apps. The continuous nature of these products not only assures a regular income stream for companies, but makes them attractive for affiliates who earn recurring commissions. By 2026, subscription services will undoubtedly expand even further, with new innovations capturing interests. Affiliates who align with this trend will be well positioned to reap substantial benefits. The second offer revolves around digital education. The online learning industry has been on a steady rise, and it shows no sign of slowing down. As the demand for upskilling in technology and other fields increases, affiliate marketers can promote courses from known platforms or even independent educators. The content can cater to a wide variety of interests, from coding and graphic design to personal finance and marketing skills. This offer taps into a market hungry for knowledge and continuous learning, enabling affiliates to connect customers with courses that add genuine value. Let's move on to the third offer: environmentally friendly products. By 2026, sustainability won't just be a buzzword, it will be an essential aspect of consumer choice. Brands focusing on eco-friendly, ethically sourced products will appeal to the ever-growing segment of conscious consumers. Affiliates can partner with these brands to market products that meet rigorous sustainable standards, such as zero-waste packaging and cruelty-free ingredients. By aligning their marketing with values that resonate deeply with audiences, affiliates can cultivate trust and loyalty while promoting a healthier planet. Now, onto the funnel, the critical component that ties these offers together. Despite the complexities of digital marketing, a well-constructed funnel remains a cornerstone of success in affiliate marketing. Envision a simple yet effective funnel composed of 4 key stages: awareness, interest, decision, and action. At the awareness stage, affiliates utilize blog content, social media, and video content to introduce the product or service. Engaging and informative content draws in potential customers, sparking their interest. The interest stage can employ webinars and email marketing to provide more details, addressing common questions or concerns that prospects might have. By doing so, it creates a deeper connection with the audience. The decision stage focuses on offering comparisons and testimonials. This helps prospects make informed choices by showcasing real-life benefits and results. Finally, at the action stage, strong calls to action, coupled with limited-time offers, entice potential customers to take the final step. This funnel process isn't just about selling. It's about nurturing relationships and providing genuine value at each stage. It's about guiding a prospect smoothly from curiosity to conversion with trust and transparency. Even as the digital landscape evolves, this fundamental approach maintains its efficacy, grounded in customer centricity. So, there you have it. 3 promising offers and a tried-and-true funnel strategy ready for 2026 and beyond. As affiliate marketers embrace these elements, they pave the way for innovative campaigns that resonate with future audiences. While trends will change, the focus remains constant: creating authentic connections with consumers through products they love and trust. As long as this principle is at the heart of affiliate marketing, success will undoubtedly follow. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to Subble. Duo. Da Sainto. O5.com